Hello everyone, this is Maurice from the M&M Model Railroad Train Layout, and finally I have received the Tsunami EMD 710 G3C T2 Tsunami Decoder, part number PN 827115, and I ordered from Model Train Stuff, and I paid about $95 for it, and it's finally here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to install it into my SD70ACe, and what I'm going to try to do, I'm going to try to do a step-by-step decoder installation. This will be my first, so bear with me if I make any mistakes. Stay tuned for the next video on how to install this decoder.